Hi students, good morning. It's another phonics lesson. Are you ready to learn? Okay, it's another beautiful day and it's another beautiful day for learning, right? Okay, so today we are going to go over a chart that we are going to talk about a special sound, and I'm going to introduce to you that special sound in a few minutes. But we're also going to complete page 209 for phonics, so you can get that out also. You could bring your whiteboard out and your marker. That will be fine if you want to copy some words with me, or you can do that later after the video, whatever you want to do. And we're going to go over some also sight words. All right, so special sounds, sight words, and our paper today. All right, here we go. I'm going to share my screen with you, but before I do that, I'm going to show you some sight words. Here we go. I hope you're learning them and practicing them at home too. Remember, you can get little index cards and mommy or daddy, or you can make your own sight words. All right, here we go. The first one is was. I think you beat me to that one. The next one is I. And the next one, the. You. Of. Do. Come. From. There. Okay, good job. All right, that's a few of them. We'll practice more tomorrow and the next day. All right, here we go. So I'm going to share my screen with you. And I just want you to know that I miss you so much still, and I wish that we could be in class, but this is okay for now, for learning, right? Okay, so right now, boys and girls, we're gonna go over some words. We're going to mark them so we learn how to continue I spying with your little eye, the smiley faces where they belong, the straight sticks where they belong, and also look with your little eye, right? I spy with my little eye, look for that special sound. So here we go. We're going to start off on row 1 with print. So print, I'll make this bigger. So per in pray, PR, right, boys and girls? So we're going to circle the PR and we're going to give the I smiley face, print. The next one, bull and block, BL, 2 vowels. There we go. Did you do that? You can go ahead and write these words on your whiteboard, or like I said, you can rewind it and do it later. All right. So then it's cross, cur and crab, CR, ah, 1 vowel, cross. Now remember that we don't say cross, right? We just say it one time. We only say, even if it's 2 consonants that are the same, remember we already know, right? We only say the sound one time, cross. Now let's go to row number 2. Here we go. Brave, right? Good. So burr and bride, BR. That's where burr comes from. And then the next one is full flip. Flip. Ooh, Luke does really good front flips. I want you guys to know, right? Lukey B, right? He showed me one. It was awesome. Then drive, I've, drive. All right. So dur and drum, DR, and then long vowel, and then cross off the silent E. Oh, we forgot a couple of them up here. Let's just go up here. Tim. So that's capitalized. Why? Because it is someone's name. You got it. I think I heard you. I think all table 1, they just shouted it. Oh, Tim. Here we go. Flat, full and flake, FL, and at, short vowel sound, flat. And then let's go down here, and it's in this TH, and then short vowel, them. All right. Okay, want to make sure there's no more. Now we're going to go down over here, and we have to choose a consonant that ends the word, and which makes sense, right? So we've done this in class before many times, and you are awesome at it. You come to the board and you choose a consonant that ends the word to make a word, right? So you can, so it makes sense. So let's begin with this one. Ba, you have two choices, g or f. Is it ba or is it bag? Oh, you're right. So you're just going to circle it, right? And we can also put it in here if you want to. If not, we would just circle it. Remember, we have these kinds of questions or problems in on our phonics paper, don't we? All right. So the next one, si, that's a blend, right? Si, and you choose the ending. Sip, sib, or sit. Yes, you're right, Evangelina. Great job. I heard you say that. Sit, right? Was it you or was it Rima? I don't know. Who was it? I heard someone's voice. Here we go. Let's see the next blend. Yeah, yes, or yeah, good. Oh, I think I heard Olivia saying yes with an S, right? So you're right. That was easy peasy, right? You're just looking for the ending sound to make a word. Very good. Okay, so the sight word of the day today is, there are two on top of what I already showed you. There is R, like are you sure? That's R, A-R-E, and from, F-R-O-M. So what you're doing is you circle them and give them eyelashes, right? Like a sight, like an eye, sight, right? Sight word. And then today's special sound is iron, fire, I-R-E. So we're going to look for iron, fire, I-R-E, iron, fire. And let's look at the first chart it comes from. So there we go. And do you spy with your little eye, iron, fire, I-R-E? Where is it? Do you see it there anywhere? Oh, there it is. It's at the bottom. Here it is, iron and fire, I-R-E. There we go, right? So let's go over the sounds. We're going to start at the top over here. Ready? In, asleep, A. All in, also A-L. B in, because, B-E. N in, enjoy, E-N. Un in, unbutton, U-N. In, wrinkle, W-R. Ood in, could, O-U-L-D. Air in, hair, A-I-R. In, push, U. In, enough, O-U-G-H. In, country, O-U. Air in, carry, A-R-R. And iron in, fire, I-R-E. Did you get that? Yay! Now remember, you can play popcorn when we say the special sound charts, but be careful. I don't want you to hurt yourself. So make sure you're sitting properly somewhere when you pop, you don't hurt yourself, okay? All right, so there it is, iron and fire, I-R-E. That's a tricky one because sometimes if you see two vowels, you're going to say it automatically in your brain. Then you're going to mark it like this, right? Well, even though it kind of makes sense, it really is a special sound. So you have to circle the three letters. When you I spy with your little I, I-R-E, you circle it, and that's all there is to it. When you have these special sounds that you see on your book that you're reading, okay? So here are some words that have the I-R-E, like, for example, tire, wire, desire, require, retire, and require. Inquire, excuse me. So that last one is inquire. Okay, so there are only 6 of them, but there are many, many, many more that have the I-R-E, and you will I spy with your little I when you're reading and circle them. All right, very good. I hope you're following along. I know you are. And like I said, you could always rewind this video and just write those on your whiteboard. It'll be fun, and you could go ahead and mark them yourself. So now we are going to look at the paper that you're on. It says circle the special sound. Now, let's see, circle the special sounds, and they want you to do something else. Let me see what it says. Circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, and read the words. 3 parts to that. So let's do the first thing first. Whatever they're asking for, if there's more than one thing, just go one at a time so you're not confused all over. So let's take the first directions first. Let's see. Circle the special sounds. Okay, let's circle them. Ready? The first one's done for you. Cool. In, what is it? Clock CL and then at. We're going to just focus on the special sounds. Ready? So do you have your paper ready and your pencil? Good. Burr and bride BR. A little bit thinner. Let's see. Gul. The next one does not have a special sound. We're going all the way over here. Glaze, gl and glue, GL. Dur, right? Dur and drum, DR. Got that one. Bull, bull and block, BL. Slot, right? Slot. And then, let's see, that's it for row 2. Let's go down to the bottom. CR, cur in crab, CR. ST, ST. Oh, there it is. Iron fire, IRE. And gul in glue, GL. So we already did those, right? Those special sounds. That's part 1 of the directions. Now let's see. Mark the vowels. Okay, so now we're going to go to row 1. Let's mark the vowels. So we're going to see, number 1 is done for you, that first one. Broke, 2 vowels. So that word says broke. We're going to do 1 and 2 and then 3 later. Then it's like, pie. We're doing this a little bit fast and then we'll go back and read it. That's the next part right here, read. And then it says glaze, 2 vowels, right? When there are 2 vowels in the word, the first one says the long sound and the second one is silent. Okay, you cross off the second vowel. And then the other rule is when 2 vowels go walking, the first one says the talking with this long vowel, and the second one is silent. Okay, this is only 1 vowel, so that's a smiley face. When there is 1 vowel in the word, it usually says the short vowel sound, So you mark it with a smiley face. Block. Oh, look what I found. I spied with my little eye. Another special sound, right? Because they don't just go at the beginning, they can go at the end too. Okay. That's slot, in, hail, cross, stuck. Oh, do you spy with your little eye? Another one. Stuck. Late. Oh, iron fire. Late. See that? Late and glad. Okay, so let's take a look at them because Miss Martinez had missed some. And I know you caught them though, right? So here we go. Let's read it. Let's read them all because we're doing now part 3, which is reading them. We kind of read them as we went along, but we'll read them again and try and read them a little bit faster. All right, here we go. So the first one is clap, broke, like, pie, glaze. The second row, drag, block, slot, in, hail. Hail, like when it's not really snow, but it's like pieces of ice that fall from the sky. That's hail. Remember that? Now the next one, cross. Don't forget to mark that, Miss Martinez. Cross. And then it is, that's cross and stuck, fire, late, and glad. You got that? Okay, good job. Now we're going to go all the way over here to 2. It says fill in the circle under 1 word in each line that tells about the picture. So what they want you to do, we've done this also before in the past, boys and girls, look at this picture. Just look at it and kind of, you know, think about what it is. And then you have to go down each of these rows, row 1 and row 2, and choose only one word that kind of describes, that tells about that picture that you saw. So let's look at the 3 at the top row, and then we will figure out which one will best describe what is on that picture. Let's look at the first one. They're going to try and trick you, I could see, because they're using the OW, but they won't trick you. Let's see. You're very smart. You'll catch on. Ready? Cool, ow, ow and owl, clown, clown. Does that talk about the picture? Well, let's go on, all right? The next one, ow, cow. Okay, okay. Put that in your brain. And let's go to the next one. Count, count. Does count have anything to do with that? Did you say the middle one, Miss Martinez? Did you think this one was it? Then you're right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It is, because cow, it has like a picture of a cow there. So it must be like some, I don't know, something else. We'll talk about it in a minute. So it's cow in that row, right? You got it. Let's go to the next one. Me. Oh, they're trying to trick you because there's two words that have the me blend. Let's see. Me, ook. Okay. Me, nt, or mess. Which one do you think? Yes, I think I heard all the boys say it's milk, the first one. If you filled in the little circle underneath the word milk, yes, you got it right. Let's go to the next one. Take a look at this picture here and let's move on. Fist. Oh, they're trying to trick you again because they're all F-I's. Fit. Fist. Fix. Does that have anything to do with it? Fix? No. What about fish? Fish. Yes, fish. You're right. Let's do the next one. It is bow, because it has the E at the end, so it's O, long vowel, bone. Oh, I spy with my eye a special sound. Now remember, OW has two special sounds, ow and owl, and O and bowl. It's not bowel, nope, it's bowl, because you have to read it to see what makes sense, right? Bowl. And the last one is boat. Which one would you choose that has to do with the picture of the fish? I think I would choose bowl because the fish, which is, look, the fish is in the bowl, right? Okay, you don't have to circle it. I just circled it so you could see. Now let's go over this one here. Let's look at this picture and they want you to choose again. The first one is, oh, they're trying to trick you again. They put K-I-K-I-K-I, but you're too smart. You'll know it. Kite, kit. Don't say kite and kite because they're not the same sounds, because this one does not have an E at the end. This one does not have an E. So that's kit. And kiss. Did you fill in the circle with the first one, kite? First word? Yes, you're right. Now let's do this. Let's do this last row together. Okay. These are three small words, but they are kind of tricky, but you know that I and fly, Y. So these all have I sound. So the first one is, let's see, sly. And the next one is, this one's sly, and this one's spy, and this one is sky. What would you choose? I would choose, what is it? Oh, I heard the girls. They said sky. You're right, because look, the kite is in the sky. Did you get that? I know you did. You smarties, right? Okay, so that brings us to the end of our paper, and it also brings us to the end of our phonics lesson today. So I hope you had fun working on your paper with me, and you can also write some words, like I said, on your whiteboard and stay on the IXL. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, doesn't matter. 5 minutes, that's all I need. 5, 10, that will be fine. All right, I'm proud of you. You're awesome possum, and have a restful day. All right, love you.